How to show or hide writing toolbar with S Pen to text on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, we tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then scroll down, and from here, tap on S Pen to text. At the bottom here, tap on Show Writing Toolbar. Tap on the toggle button to hide or show the writing toolbar. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.